Hey, what is up everyone? So today you guys are in my garage once again. You guys remember this place. And it's because I have a box here, and a box from Cobb. Basically, I just wanted to kind of open this up real quick. I already did earlier today because I was very impatient, but I'll show you guys what's in the box, which is thread locker. And if you guys know this, for the Focus ST, the reason why I need thread locker is for one and one thing only. It's for a Cobb short shifter plate. Honestly, like looking at this new short shifter plate is actually pretty nice. It's more convenient. I guess the earlier designs, you would have to take off the whole fork, or your shifter basically has to come off and up. This one is more accessible. You would just take out your air box, unhook it, put it on, put this under, and then thread it through. So that's what we're gonna do for today. We're gonna thread all of this together. I will take all of this apart, and well, the only one thing I did not know what to do with was this washer that came with it, but this washer goes here either way. But yeah, this should stay here at 40% because that's what I'm choosing, unless you want something else. But I do kind of want to hit it with a little bit of thread locker just to be safe. So we're going to start off by taking off this whole entire box, which should be super simple of just popping it all out. But before, let's take off this guy up here. I think just this one right here should do the trick to it all. Pop it out like that. This is always a pain to take off, although it's supposed to be already loose. So basically it should go right here. So all I'm gonna do is come right up in here and pop this guy off. So now that that's done, all I gotta do is unbolt these guys. I forgot to do so, so I'll do so right now. And lastly, use a 10mm bolt to tighten this all down. Now this guy will for sure not go anywhere. This whole thing moves with it. So let's put the air box back in, and we should be good to go. But initial impressions of this right now is just, honestly, I did not expect it. Oh. So the initial impressions is I didn't expect it to be like this. I thought it was gonna be, well, I guess I didn't know what to expect. A little bit crazy. I was coming out of an exit, and there was a car coming that it would just start smashing as soon as they saw me. So, and this is gonna be like so like moved around because I'm just like shifting everywhere. But let me just get real quick into this. I felt the difference immediately. Of course, it's 40% reduction. It's a huge difference because now you're not rowing all the way in there and then rowing back all the way closest to you. You're not doing that anymore. You're just, that's it. That was third to fourth. And if you guys ever did, like all you ST owners that are watching this, of course, you'll know that thing goes from all the way up here all the way down here, and then you have like 2 clicks that go, like there's a click and and then another one to emphasize that you're already in gear. And this one, it only clicks once. So like where you feel that first click at, that's where you know that you're already in gear. This guy is moving. I can totally feel it and I can see it. But whatever. Hopefully you guys are capturing my excitement either way. You guys can see. Now let's do like. See? Now that's in gear. That's in fourth. That's what I'm talking about. There is this like clicking feel to it all. When you do all this, you'll feel like, oh, it goes into one gear, it goes into the other. The phone, it does hit very minimal with aggressive shifting. Yes, that's what I was doing. But it's not too bad that it's very unbearable. Honestly, I love the feel, and if you're a person who does not, if you're a person that is not used to a short shifter, then it's gonna take you some time. That is for sure. I really hope this was a good explanation. I hope this was a good install for you guys, because it was for me. It was just a huge learning curve, because the back plate on the bottom, the first time I went in, went backwards. So the center one was actually to the side, while the other one wasn't. And then afterwards, of course, just shifting itself is a little bit different, but I get used to it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.